Incoming pre-med students at Florida A&M are getting a head start in the medical field. FAMU has partnered with Florida Atlantic University to create the Medical Scholars Program, a program aimed to prepare students for medical school. These students must have at least a 3.5 GPA, an 1800 SAT score, or a 27 ACT score. Dr. Michael J.L. Smith says students who meet these requirements will be more successful in the program.
Feel that those students have already demonstrated a level of academic performance that would increase their likelihood of being successful in our program and subsequently getting into medical school.
After completion of the program and scoring a 25 on the MCAT, students will gain acceptance into FAU's College of Medicine. Freshman molecular biology student Michelle Wilson says the program is more than she expected.
It's just like a big jump into something that usually people don't get into until after they get admitted into medical school, so it's a little bit different, a little bit rigorous too.
The Medical Scholars Program hopes to up the profile for FAMU and increase the number of African American medicinal studies students. But more importantly, the participants are gaining valuable experience. First-year pre-med student Robert Sr. says the one-on-one attention they get in the program is worth it.
Yes, it's a lot more beneficial because you have a more mutual relationship with the professor. You feel a lot more comfortable as well.
In Tallahassee, I'm Evan Miles on FAMU TV, part of the FAMU News Network.